Now, there is another important concept called a range. A range is just a group of cells selected together. I can click and drag across multiple cells to create a range. Let's say I click on C3 and drag all the way to G8. That's a range. We describe ranges in Excel using the cell references from the top left cell to the bottom right cell. So in this case, it would be written as C3 colon G8. That colon in the middle means through in Excel speak. Ranges are powerful because they allow you to format, calculate, or apply formulas across many cells at once. So now a workbook is your Excel file. A sheet or worksheet is one tab in that workbook. Spreadsheets are made up of columns like D, F, or M, and rows like 2, 5, 10, where column and row meet in a cell like F6 or A9. A range is a selection of cells like B2 through D6, which you can use for formulas and formatting. That's the basic anatomy of a spreadsheet in Excel. Once you understand this structure, you will be ready to dive into formulas, charts, data analysis, and much more.